Ache baba, ache yeye, ache lofi, ache ifa, ache rumila, ache legua, ache echo, ache ogun, ache osiosun, ache badala, ache chango, ache oya, ache ochun, ache yamaya, ache aye, ache egun, ache egbe.
In this section, we talk about how to become a Babalawo. There is a preliminary process involved in determining if becoming a Babalawo is in a person's destiny. Not everyone is destined to become one. This process involves consulting a Babalawo, which will use the Ifa divination system to foresee part of the person's destiny. Through the process of divination, the Babalawo will use various Ifa divination tools and interpret the Odu signs that are marked by Ifa. Specific questions may be asked during an Ifa reading that will also help to guide the communication with Ifa. Your current state of mind plays a big part in determining your readiness of going through the process of becoming a Babalawo. Having a good positive foundation of your self-character is important for yourself and for others that you will be helping along the way. The journey to Ifa requires a solid, positive foundation of self-character. If you aren't in good moral standing with yourself, you will want to start making the cognitive behavioral changes to include honesty, humbleness, integrity, loyalty, patience, and understanding. These are just a few of the basic moral attributes a Babalawo should possess. Developing and maintaining good morals such as these mentioned will start you off in the right direction towards becoming an honest, practicing Ifa priest. Positive changes at a conscious and subconscious level create good character, Iwapele. You may be required to start the study of Ifa prior to becoming a Babalawo. This depends on which region of the world you are living in or in which region of the world you choose to go through Ifa initiation. It also depends on who you have chosen as your Ifa teacher or elder or awo. Learning Ifa will become a part of your life if you want to benefit from the great opportunities Ifa has to offer. Ifa is a lifelong progression of positivity. The following section will provide tips on how to choose your Ifa teacher. Choosing your Ifa teacher and how to find a good elder and mentor. Choosing your Ifa teacher is also an important and integral part of starting your journey in the right direction towards Ifa. It will be very beneficial for the student when a highly experienced and knowledgeable Babalawo is training them. Having common sense is a trait you'll want to exercise when choosing a qualified Babalawo as an Ifa teacher. Becoming familiar with the type of person you will be working with may provide a glimpse into the type of results you will see in your apprenticeship. The duration of the apprenticeship depends on how efficient the apprentice can learn Ifa concepts and put them into practice. A few things to be aware of and questions you can ask yourself when choosing your Ifa teacher are as follows. Get to know the Ifa priest you will be working with. Assess the type of person they are. Do they have good morals? Do they exhibit traits such as honesty, humbleness? Are they genuine, patient, and understanding? Are they loyal? Look at their surroundings. How do they live and treat their home? How do they treat others? Are they responsible and reliable? What type of people do they affiliate themselves with? One other characteristic to validate about a potential Ifa priest you plan to work with is their willingness to teach an Ifa student. They may possess this characteristic if they meet most, if not all, the previously mentioned traits. However, it is something that should also be verified. After all, how good can a teacher be that doesn't like or want to teach? A good Ifa teacher is always willing to teach those that are willing to learn Ifa. One way to verify their willingness to teach is to get to know other students taught by the same Ifa priest. Ask them about their experiences and how long they've been training. How much knowledge have they gained as an apprentice learning from the potential Babalawo you plan to work with? Using your common sense and the information provided here can help you understand from what perspective you can go about when choosing an Ifa teacher. This will be a choice you make that will affect your path towards your destiny. Be mindful that assessments can be done both ways between Ifa teacher and Ifa students. Be respectful when asking questions. We do not want to unnecessarily insult anyone. An experienced Babalawo with traits like those mentioned earlier would be willing to answer your questions. In the meantime, you can always start or continue working on your iwapele or building good character without being initiated. Always work towards building good character. To learn more about how to become a Babalawo, please click on part 3 of this video series.
If you find this video to be a positive influence, please click the thumbs up button. Please consider subscribing to this channel and click the bell notification button to be notified when new Ifa Odu videos are published. Please also share this video with someone you know to help influence them in a positive way. Have a blessed and positive day. Ache.